make him have to come home.
Well, ground people, this is JJ Gold and welcome back to my next video today. Now I'm doing a reaction video. This is this is interesting. This is Family Guy, but this one's a Jamaican Family Guy prison escape. But no, yeah, prison escape. Well, to be honest, I never even recognized it because I got requests to react to this on Twitter. Shout out to Janie Austin. I'll put in his Twitter name in the description. So yeah, guys. Let's get ready for this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel before I watch it. Make sure to hit the notification button. And also make sure to comment down below what you want me to react to. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and social media. Alright. So let's get started to react to it and let's go. And also the visual videos link in the description down below, yeah. And let's go.
The place like your fuck. Dirty pussy one, me tell you stop remind me say blood clot Jamaica with the batty boy. Tell the pussy one stop remind me dog. Me too. Back to work, you never feel no cup of feeling never. Dung in your throat, girl. Top your eyes up, me coming in your throat, girl. Are you walking, gun in your throat, girl? Anything where you're doing, you're going to dung in your neck back. Anything you do, stop that.
I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing.
We are gonna fuck up a party tonight, you just watch. Tonight we feel like spend some cash. Cool and events, just watch. If a Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match. Oi, hold this, you nasty fucker.
Ain't fat for holy. Man as a boss.
Yo, what you do with that?
Yo, I cut, you know. One of them I come back for the scene.
Yo, how far you think you da go with that? You want a man left that shovel across your head back, you fucking idiot.
I'm just coughing. Shut up.
Imagine the whole away there, so. And we good wife there, and next man that give back shot and the skin a slap.
Yo, me no want to see you like pussy, you know.
Dog, right now, me glad to see you tomorrow, me a go, me know.
Yo, the first thing me I do when me reach home, I release some oil from this long time and I get none.
Oil, you are talking about oil. Right now, you see me right there, you remember how fuck feet. My oil turn shift and bottom, I can't believe. Me and my wife used to have the best position, them. One name hanger, one name cartwheel, and one name bumbo clock. This can't be real. Last time my wife fucked me in front of my kids. And I talk about picnic. Come meet Uncle Fibs. Yo, lock off over here, some man, before me knock you. Hey, water, like our last night, you know, me I beg you do me a favor. You can't get one little one catty come here, me can't, you know.
Last night. One thing could not rascal. Now, 30 more days what I working for the ras book, you know, right there for kill.
What? So them tell me so we get released tomorrow.
You see a fat fuck face? You have a dead.
A style thing. How the bumbo club will do this for the next 30 days?
So them run.
I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing.
This blood clot, it never left. Them extend my sentence to 30 days one at a time. And that a blood clot 45 years ago.
Bumba clad dog, you hear that? You get in a favor.
Dog, what the fuck we are gonna do?
No, me know what me I go do, you know. Since we are going to do for a while, me I go find the biggest blood clot man in here and fuck up in blood clot.
So yo, what we are gonna do? We can't stay in here and turn jail body in a dog.
Nah, stay in a safe ever, you know. Me I come out of this.
Ow.
Plan a break out.
What?
We have to put one and two together, you know, dog. And we just get mad and cut out of this. Same like how Christopher Columbus win the war.
Yo, Colonel, the man them strap your fuck. The man them have something big over there, so I got the river, you know.
Negative. Tell the man them say we are go cross.
But Colonel, go fuck away.
We need to do this because I'm the strategy. Yo, if you go broke out of this, you know we have to go try pass the guard.
You me have a fuck up idea, you know, but dear one, me have to try something right now. Fuck buck like that, I want you to push me.
Eh?
Yo, don't look for me. Me need one man come touch me.
I be a fuck you.
What?
Boy.
What you mean? Tell me if you fuck at them a look.
If fuck at them a look, yes, but them a go and them a try avoid it.
Exactly.
When a handicap job, everybody turn them head. Nobody know help me. What you wanna do? Just play along with the plan. And look how the fuck of them a move. Look how me go fuck them up. The whole of we are go home. Bomber class, help me, dog. Help me, bomber class, you're dead. Lord God, me try for support.
So he's having the asthma attack, you know.
No more, me dog, no more.
Yes,
No, buddy boy, don't look. So look like a feel like a head, you want to help them. Push them and get wet. Really, say mongrel them.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Family Guy channel. I did it laugh, you know. I won, you know. I won. So yeah, guys, comment below we want to be at next. So make sure to like, subscribe. I love you and peace out. I do it laugh, you know. I do it laugh.